Welcome back to Pandora MEP Engineer. Today I would like to show you how to select the quality of the printing file PDS. You can get the higher quality for make sure about the data secret is clearly. So click on the file, the first step. Then click on the file. Yes. After that, click on the page setup. Yes. After that, you look at the title bar page setup. After that, you click on the pen and printer. After that, click on the print setup. Click on the printer name. Click on the Adobe PDS. After that, click on the properties. And then click on the paper quality. Click on advances. Click on the page. Look at the graphic. Yes, the graphic is print quality. This means the quality of the printing high or low. Click on the 400 dpi. Yes, for the high. After that, click OK. If you want to low, you click on the 72. Yes. I click OK. 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 Yes. OK. After that, click to print. Yes. Print, yes. Then click on orange. Okay. Okay. Click on the right name. Y. 1. Yeah. Please save. If you want to make sure it clear, the quality of the image clear or not clear, you just to install the PDF Adobe Acrobat Pro. Yes. I click on the zoom. Yes, and resume. Zoom out. Yes. The quality is still clear. Yes. It is strong. Yes. Thank you very much. So this set up the quality of the paper PDF just for the C programmer of the PLC I'm wrong. Yes. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.